So, no one is still willing to admit that our reggae and dancehall artists have to step up their production when it comes to big major shows. Nobody's willing to admit that some of our big stage shows are having production issues. So nobody's still willing to admit that some of the hosts for some of our stage shows are now thinking that they are part of the performance and therefore they're intertwining themselves with the performers. Nobody's willing to admit that. Nobody's willing to admit that some of our stage shows need to have a designated person that has the authority to regulate the stage at any given time. Nobody thinks that things are happening on the stage during major performances that should not be happening. Nobody? No one's willing to admit? All right, cool.
Me go get to every point, because me go get to that Rasta boy there. That shot him out, bad man Rasta boy there when he chill. Me soon reach to him. Bad mind. He's the most bad mind person I ever see. Well, now, what you worry about KarteL and bands for? KarteL don't need a bands. Dancehall start from pussy clad, music, vinyl from blood clad, whatever, record from pussy clad. I don't know where it's name, because I don't even know. Turntable. See? And that's where it start from. KarteL no need no bands. KarteL had do bands long time. I mean, host every show, you know. I'm if you can talk, you know, because I host every show. I know about crowd. I know about crowd control. I know about everything when it come on to dancehall. Him no need no band. KarteL not have to use no band. Fuck band. You go like that, change no game. You know, say KarteL not use no band. I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out the arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere you go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sunfest this year. When last Sunfest is 25,000 people. Our artists did on the last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. Bless. You also know the story ain't complete if men are up on the beat, and as you can see, right on the screen. Yeah, dancehall is winning, but I don't know if this is a specifically a good look for Beenie Man, the show, because this show he did in New York the other day was free. You know what I mean? Nevertheless, he still got paid for the bookings, but you know, when free things, lines are going to pop up. You know what I mean? And if you know anything about these events in New York, this Rise Fest, whatever it is, something the city hosts every year. You know, another type of hip-hop artist and R&B artist goes to these types of functions. I think Fabulous is going to be needed just to give them that type of idea, you know, caliber of artists on the performance. So it's free, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, Vybz KarteL events are not, and the people them is packing out the stadium, and Team Beenie Man has issues with that. You see, Masicka, you see Irish and Chinning at the beginning, now call the name, but we know who I talk about. You see, Masicka, and then post up this thing, and throw a whole heap of shades. You see, Masicka, and I can press pause and read it for myself. So that's why you see MC Nuffy did really fire up to them. You know what I mean? Because I'm not gonna lie, the Ras definitely is bad, man, because I want to know what dancehall really have to do with reggae. You know what I mean? And what has reggae been doing that them need dancehall clout? You know what I mean? But no doubt, let's take a listen to what I go on for not to go on, because you know Masicka and them get blazed up too, you know, you see me?
But me have something to say. A lot of entertainer grudge your Vybz KarteL. A lot of entertainer hate your Vybz KarteL. A lot of entertainer not glad for what you achieve and receive. Sharon, big up yourself. See? Enough entertainer, I don't see them congratulating you for this success. Enough of the entertainer them not congratulate you. Nah show you no love. Them not happy for you. Me a man when me talk, them vex. But me just start the fucking truth. I mean, I talk nothing but the truth. Them not happy for you, my general. Them not happy for you. You come out, you get visa, you're there foreign, you move up and down, and I hear you talk it. Not even you yourself believe say you then get a visa. Not even you yourself believe say you then get a visa. You on the stage and you talk it. You put on your testimony. You're putting down your testimony about what you go through. And dancehall was on a chokehold where Afrobeat had beat it. Afrobeat beat it. Burna Boy and all that people them come out and them a beat it. That's Jamaica. We know how Jamaica stay a long time. When we say a star, born and rise, other countries, we will want to see them. See? Yo, Afrobeat beat dancehall, and all of you know what it outside, free and can do one and I do. Me attack every blood clot entertainer. Me not give a fuck who you be. Like me now, like me yesterday, or like me tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. I see Vybz KarteL, him come save fucking dancehall. From go down in a pit and on the pussies. What's on our entertainer? I don't give a fuck who you wanna be. On the pussies, what's on our entertainer? On no love him, on no rate him, and him come blood clot save the genre. From down in a hole. And the whole on the blood clot out. What need I do? All of you we had shut up on the mouth and a run. On the mouth and a go on. You not happy for the blood clot G. You not happy say him get crown. You not happy say him come out. Me the blood clot telling a long time say dancehall that jail. You not think a joke? Eh? You know some set of pussies. I mean not give a fuck. Who you want be? All of you entertainer never happy for cartel. Go suck out on a sour mama. Me, Nuffy no give a fuck. Can me see that? Me no blind. Uno no blood clot love him. Uno no love for what him do. Go suck out on no mama. You all a uno. We no happy for Vybz KarteL. Well deserved crown. Me talk frank. Me know me not have a problem with Beenie man. You know why me not have a blood clot problem with Beenie man? Because you think it's easy to pass Beenie man and get that blood clot crown. You think it's easy to pass him and KarteL laps Beenie man 3 times. Me, as the MC, we host every big show. No pussy host show around here like me. No boy, no girl host no show around here like me. Me host the most big show everywhere. See me go tap the blood clot line a wireless there. Who make me reach there? Vybz KarteL. I mean, I just talk just because him make me reach there. Him know dancehall. And his blood clot dancehall MC. King MC. Like how him are the King Bomber Clot DJ. And Spice are the Queen. Seeing? Uno look up pussies. Now no respect. Uno look up shit bag. Now no blood clot respect. You think it easy to pass Beenie man? You think it easy to pass Beenie man? Eh? And KarteL laps Beenie man 3 times. You see after KarteL, there will be no more king. And me can tell Uno that. Because none of you run up on the mouth and try. Uno not work. Sing few look a song have look a blood clot song. You think I pass Beenie man? You think say Uno can? You think it is easy for Beenie man pass Yellow man? Eh? You think it is easy for blood clot Beenie man pass Yellow man? You think it is easy for KarteL pass blood clot Beenie man? And KarteL laps Beenie man 3 times. And no Beenie are the problem. And on no pussies with bad mind. Eh? And no Beenie are the problem, you know. I mean, no KarteL not a problem with Beenie man, you know. KarteL don't have a problem with Beenie man, I know that. Me around him and me know that. Me no blind. Eh? Me don't want nobody tell me that dancehall. KarteL I do dancehall. Pussy hole not chat too much. Me go get to every point. Cause me go get to that Rasta boy there. That shot him out bad man Rasta boy there when he chill. Me soon reach to him. Bad mind. He's the most bad mind person I ever see. Well now, what you worry about KarteL and bands for? KarteL don't need a bands. Dancehall start from pussy clad, music, vinyl from blood clad. Whatever, record from pussy clad. I don't know what's his name, because I don't even know. Turntable. See? And that's where it start from. KarteL no need no bands. KarteL do bands long time. I mean host every show, you know. I if you can talk, you know, because I host every show. I know about crowd. I know about crowd control. I know about everything when it come on to dancehall. Him no need no band. KarteL not have to use no band. Fuck band. You go like that, change no game. You know, say KarteL not use no band. I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out the arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere you go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sunfest this year. When last Sunfest is 25,000 people. Our artists depend the last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot, not even 15,000, not even 12,000 I want to pull. Because Joe called me and tell me, you know, oh my God. But I can't sit down and talk about no blood clot do back no Sunfest. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man. On a bad mind, a blood clot. All you know, Jahshii. Poor blood clot you. Before you mind your own business. You get your look of blood clot chance with silk bars. Eh? Look at hungry belly Jahshii. You get your look of blood clot chance with silk bars. If you got a career in your hand. All you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, fall back and go. Eh? Wanna know about dancehall? Wanna know about dancehall? You think it is easy to pass blood clot Beenie Man and KarteL, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said, after that king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Because we don't do no blood clot work. We don't work. We don't work. After blood clot KarteL, no more king. Me know coming no dancehall. All I know we are sing and DJ. I don't know dancehall like or no. Me not sing and DJ. Me know it. After KarteL, no more king. Because the work with KarteL put on. We couldn't do that. We don't have more blood clot time to find work do. We don't have more time to find work do. We don't go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. KarteL show Jahshii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people. Blood clot. Every tail you follow back a man call you on stage. And you get your career, if you take your career. And you see one year so out of your mouth and tell boom boom say you go like you're Nuffy. And Nuffy are the real MC, but that is not the problem with me and boom boom, nah, not at all. See, you're sure, you have a little thing about it. But you get your one and dash you away. Before you take the little clash with you and silk bar. That's his dancehall. And that you did for do. Instead of you that day today, them they even book you for doing a blood clot Sunfest, but you're gone up there try disrespect. Real G. Pussy all you know about KarteL work? Eh? You think it's a party shop get him to be the king? Eh? You think a party shop get KarteL being the king of dancehall? Eh? All of who did that chat up them mouth. You can't pass Beenie Man. Because all no pass Beenie Man. How tell you so now king? Me look pound and tell you so now king? When I work for kingship, you think that's a king go? Move on a blood clot, but on a bad artist. Bad artist is my blood clot. When if you have bad artists can't have fan base. And have them fan base and control. You don't left no mark. No way we want to go perform. No way. You don't have blood clot left no mark. No way we want to perform. Nobody not talk about you want to perform. You don't boring no blood clot. I want to know. I want to ramp with me general, you know. The man get him bumbo clad crowd, you know. I'm man of the pussy clad king. Because uno no pass blood clad Beenie Man yet. And I laps Beenie Man 3 times in a game. And you know, I know Beenie Man are the people and the Beenie Man are the problem. Are the pussy them when I happy for car. You know how long me tell him that? KarteL a long time me tell you. Addy a long time me tell you. Addy a long time me blood clad tell you. Say them pussy hole you not like you. Them not like you. Them never want you come out. And you come save dancehall. Them never want you get no visa. The pussy hold them a visa and them couldn't do nothing. Afrobeat a drown them. Me no give a fuck. You don't have to like me. Me no want to not like me because they done they like me already. You don't defend me. You know, so the blood clot G defend me. Eh? You know, so the G deal with me. A real blood clot G. Him know Nuffy are the real king of dance. I did that tell you no long blood clot time. Say Nuffy, I king MC. Him know the game. No man no come show no blood clot respect and tell the G thanks. Me see G showing a pure love. Nothing but blood clot love. All me I try to tell him enough time. And he must say enough for anything you say goes, you know. You see the youth them, big up the youth them, you know. Me big up the youth them, you know. No put on the page and say congratulations, Cartel. Go on. Una not have to like me, you know. Una not have to chat to me. Because I don't want to chat to you, una not have to like me, una not have to see me. Una not have to talk to me. Me don't want to talk to you, no. Cartel proof to you all, you know. See a girl, you know that girl and Nuffy. I'm sit down and watch, and I don't want to play hypocrite with them now. And say, I don't have to call to me, I don't want to call to me, I don't care. Move on the blood clot. Cartel me I deal with, I me say. Because when I go call to me, I go like, you don't like me, I rate me. You don't rate me. You don't blood clot rate me. I him rate me. Improve. You know, I sit down and I watch, and I sit down and I watch. Cartel, you blood clot rate Nuffy. Me and a pussy, you know. Me and a pussy. Pussy will not be hypocrite with me. And me blood clot no. And me just hold it. A Cartel rate me. Him rate me. Him blood clot rate me and prove too no. Same rate me. Bumbo clot. You don't understand this thing and you dance all. And the man of the man. That me I tell you. I'm the man of the man. You see me? I him of the blood clot man. You no come send no congratulations. You no tell the man thanks. Nothing at all. You no show be the man is not the problem. I'm sure not the Cartel don't have a problem with being the man. You hear me tell you? But none of you know. Me don't give a fuck what you want to say. What you want to like me and not like me dog. Cartel go on a song and bust and let him. I don't care, you know. I don't care what I want to say or what I want to do. I the J. I don't come out and come tell a man thanks. I don't tell a man thanks. I don't say, Cartel, boy, rare, but you don't come out and I come go like so on a blood clot. I don't care save dancehall. If I want to alone dancehall, dead. See? If I want to alone dancehall dead, dancehall UK big up. Look at these people. The big me watch them, you know. Because I know dancehall, I watch them, you know. And I see them do what they do, you know. One time when you go some place with them hide from you. And go on like them don't want to see you. I watch them, you know, and I laugh. You know. Big up, you know. Big up yourself, deck. And I watch them and I laugh and I say, pussy hole. I feel like, yeah, some of them show them and make a look of money, you know. Put soul and money on the praise. If a money Cartel, let that blood clot praise. Dancehall, couldn't they wait there? A man come out and a show and say, what can go higher and better and bigger? Show the G some love. The man getting crown and none of them post him. And this me I tell him about a long time. None of them post him. None of them say congratulations. But you don't want to play hypocrite with him. You don't want to come play hypocrite. People, I don't have a problem with Beenie man. I know Cartel not a problem with Beenie man. I know Beenie man have a problem. And the rest of pussy whole DJ boy and DJ girl them. Levels the man set. Move on a bad mind, blood clot. I look at dirty Rasta one named Chin come at all of a sudden start tell people about OF, host and DJ and MC and this and that. Start to be a now mash up the culture. Rasta boy, you keep clash all these blood clot and dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dread boy. Go wash your locks, you stink like.
And I agree with MC Nuffy. Them boy, yeah, move like pum pum. And not just them, the rest of them in the industry who's fake. You know what I mean? Who cares about this unity thing? And, you know, guys, I said, but if them not like Cartel, you know what I mean? That's okay. You know what I mean? Chop some diss track and make the thing nice again, you see me? Because that's the only way you're not going to get kingship, you know? You know what I mean? Because I don't go and like say, I don't want to be in here, man, alone trap bad this against Cartel. Because Beenie Man still a go for him crown. You know what I mean? But these young guys, them know what to do, you see me? Set it off. Anyway, people, when I go along, this no longer, you know. Bless.